Isolator, two ports which is connected between the source and load. Why it is connected? In case of any mismatch, the signal returns back from load towards the source. To overcome this drawback, we have connected the isolator in between the source and load. In case there is a mismatch from the load side, it should not reach back towards the source. Means reflectance is equals to 0. An internal construction of the isolator, it consists of a resistive card which is present in front of port number 1 and port number 2, waveguide twist of 45 degree and circular waveguide twist of 45 degree of Faraday rotation device. And the function of resistive card is to absorb the wave whose plane of polarization is perpendicular to that of resistive card. If it becomes parallel, it is going to absorb. Then case 2, case 1 and case 2 conditions. So in case of case 1, when microswitch is applied input at port number 1, under the dominant mode TE10, it passes to resistive card 1. Its plane of polarization is perpendicular, so it passes towards the waveguide twist. So waveguide twist, 45 degree twist in the anti-clockwise direction. Then due to circular waveguide twist, 45 degree in clockwise direction. 45 degree and 45 degree, nothing but equals to 0. It's perpendicular, so same output at port number 2. Means in forward direction it equals to 0. In reverse direction, when we apply input at port number 2, then 45 degree twist due to the circular waveguide in a clockwise direction. Again 45 degree twist in the clockwise direction. So 45 plus 45, 90. Now it becomes parallel to that of resistive card number 1. So wave is completely absorbed. Thus output port number equals to 0. Means in reverse direction it provides a maximum attenuation. So output at port number equals to 0. In this way also is going to work. Is it clear?